Welcome to our daily Forex market analysis, and this is for trading on August the 26th, 2020. Just a quick disclaimer here before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, so please be careful with your money. As usual, we'll start off by taking a look at our calendar here. So in terms of the data that's coming up, again, we don't really have any critical news tomorrow, but we do have core durable goods orders for the US here, and oil inventories. We also have capital expenditure from Australia, but nothing major, so fairly light in terms of news here. So let's move on to our charts. All right, so starting off with euro dollar here. So yesterday we had a nice pin bar, but today we have seen US dollar, basically just the US dollar just got trashed today, and we have seen a move back up here. So this today's candle close is bullish. Now it is into resistance, so we do need to be careful here. But the concern here would be, should it go through the resistance here, then we are basically looking for another move higher. So we could see price continue to go up higher. So US dollar index has just basically broken down, and US dollar is just getting hit hard once again. And as a result of that, all the dollar crosses are going back up. So this is looking bullish. I would say with caution, though, we do have to be careful with this resistance. It's right into this resistance right at this point. So if it doesn't go through, we could still see, we could still get the price dropping here because it hasn't crossed yesterday's high yet. So that's the, that would be the level to watch, which is so this is a 1.1850. So should price go through 1.1850, then next target would be 1.1880 and then a 1.1920. And potentially, basically, we're looking for the next swing high here, which is 1.1960. So bias right now is bullish with caution, though, because if it stays below the resistance, then we're looking for a drop. But once it crosses over, we're looking for a bullish move higher. Pound dollar here, same thing here. We see that price wasn't really able to break through the support. We have seen price cross the resistance. It is into resistance here. This is some major resistance. So for pound to go higher here, we would need to see a close above 1.3185. Should that happen, then we're looking for the next move higher. So right now it is holding the previous support level, which makes that next move higher more probable at this point, but it's not quite done yet. So at this point, we will watch today's resistance and even potentially into 1.3180. That's the level we are watching. If it doesn't manage to go through, we will see a move back into the range here. But once it crosses over, we are targeting the high here. So bias right now is bullish with caution, though. First target is 1.3265, and next target here would be 1.3320. So bullish bias here for pound dollar, just with caution. Aussie dollar here. Aussie dollar is looking bullish as well. So Aussie dollar is looking bullish. We see that price is right into resistance. So again, we need to be mindful of that. But price has been trading in a range here, and we see it wasn't really able to break through the support. We did have a doji, but prices, like I said, US dollar just didn't do too well today. And as a result of that, everything is higher against the US dollar. So here we have a bullish candle close. Again, right into resistance, so watch out for that. But other than that, bias is bullish, and next target here, once it gets through this resistance at 0.7220, next target would be 0.7280. So bullish bias here for Aussie dollar as well. New Zealand dollar here, this one as well trading sideways, although we had a pin bar here as well, price has gone back up. So with this one here, we see that price is right into the resistance here. So if it doesn't go through, again, we could see a move back into the range. But for now, this looks bullish. Once we see a breakthrough 0.6570, then we're looking for next move higher, and target would be 0.6620. So bias is bullish for New Zealand dollar as well. Dollar CAD here, this one is still range bound. It wasn't able to break through this resistance here. It's still stuck in this range, and this is what it did previously as well. We had talked about this bullish candle. See how it turned around. We have a similar move here, so I will look for a range bound move, looking for a retest of 1.3138. And if it bounces back, then we're looking for a move back. So right now this is neutral, and I am looking for a range bound move here, looking for price to trade between 1.3238 and 1.3138. So once we see a break, then that's the direction we will follow. For now, this is neutral.